Hello and welcome to Blessings for All. I'm your man KR. I'm going to be your host for the next few minutes as I show you this amazing gifting project where we're helping everybody to receive some income that they need to help with these bills, these gas prices, as well as food and groceries, and as well as just to be able to get out and have a good time, right? So this is something that anybody can do. All you have to do is become a member and you can start receiving donations. What we are is a private community of people helping people. Once again, I want to welcome you to Blessings for All, powered by the Kindred Hearts team. If you're familiar with Kindred Hearts and their platform, that's the platform that we're operating on, and it's pretty cool, man. I love it. Blessings for All is a powerful gifting project within a private community where everyone is helping everyone to win, and that is what we need to be doing during these challenging times, helping each other to win. What Blessings for All is? Well, Blessings for All is people helping people. Blessings for All is a life-changing gifting project. It is also a system linked to a 13-year-old program, which is Kindred Hearts. It's also financial freedom for all that participates. That is amazing. What Blessings for All is not? Well, it's not an MLM. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme at all, and it's definitely not a Ponzi scheme. We're over here helping each other to win. That's all it's about. Who can participate? Well, anyone 18 years or older, people who are willing to work as a team. You got to be willing to work as a team to build and accelerate and to receive donations. People who love to share great opportunities with others. That is the most important part. You can't be selfish. You can't be thinking, well, I just want to get money myself and not help anybody else. We're looking for people that don't mind sharing this opportunity with others, giving them a chance to come over here and join and also receive some funding, guys. And we're also looking for people who are in need of extra income today, right now. That may be you, and I hope that you come over and join so that we can help you to get the funds that you need. Let's run through a quick little Q&A so you can get a little idea about what we're doing. What is needed to join Blessings for All? Well, everyone has to send a one-time $100 donation to the senior sitting in the position. Then you become a member down on the lower board and you just raise up until you receive your donation. So everyone has to put up $100 one time as a donation to join. Do we have to help others? Yes, most definitely. As I stated before, everyone is responsible for referring only 2 people. That's all you ever need to bring is 2 people. You get 2 people over here with us, then we're going to all work together and we're going to all grow. And this is something that's mandatory because we want everybody to earn and we want everybody to work to help everybody, not just come over and sit here and wait to be paid. We don't want to do that. How much can a member receive in gifts? Well, this is what's super amazing. Everyone receives $800 in gifts and re-enters onto the board for $200. That secures 2 new positions, and those 2 new positions are also going to receive $800 each. That's powerful, right? This leaves each member with $600 per donation cycle. Let me say that again to make sure everybody got it. Once you go up to the top of the board, you're going to receive $800. From the $800, you're going to take $200 and secure 2 freshman positions down on the bottom of that same board. That's going to leave you with $600 for that cycle. And that happens each and every cycle. So that's good, guys. You're making $600 over and over. Let's look at our donation plan and how it works and how you're going to be earning. As I said, we're operating on the Kindred Hearts platform, just so you know. And on the Kindred Heart platform, it's designed to have a freshman position, sophomore position, junior, and of course our senior. It's somewhat like college, right, in high school. So you got your positions over here and they're based upon you advancing up on these levels until you become a senior, where you will be receiving your donations. Now, starting out, how do you get in? Well, when you send that $100 donation, you're going to be placed in the freshman position. Now, we have 2 sides to these freshman positions. You have the left and the right, but the good part about it is the left side does not depend upon the right side to move, nor does the right depend upon the left. Soon as there's 4 people in that row, you will advance to the sophomore position. So you're here, you are sitting in a freshman position. Once you advance up to that sophomore position, at that particular point, you're going to drop down with your 2 people. You're going to bring in those 2 great people that you think that you want to help, that you thought enough about to bring over here, and they're going to fall up under you. Once the person sitting next to you do the same exact thing, then this board will boom up again. Now you just became a junior. As a junior, now your 2 people that you brought in are going to duplicate the same thing you did by dropping their 2. When they drop their 2, you will catapult up and become a senior. Now, this is where it gets amazing. As a senior, everybody that falls down in the freshman position now will send you $100 each. Oh, wow. Yeah, you're going to be receiving 8 $100 donations. Once you receive your 8 $100 donations, you're going to re-enter onto the board with 2 positions and put the 600 in your pocket. That means now you've set yourself up to receive $800 twice, right? And once you receive the 800 twice, you're going to do the same thing. Drop down with 200 from each one of those, and you're going to walk with 6. That's amazing, right? Let's do a little recap to make sure you got it. You come in on the 100 as a freshman. Once you become a freshman, you're going to elevate up into the sophomore position once your little row is filled. Once you have 3 more people next to you, for a total of 4 of you, you will elevate up to the sophomore position. Once you're a sophomore, you're going to drop your 2 people that you thought enough about to bring over here. You're going to drop them down up under yourself. Then you're going to elevate up into the junior position. This happens when you and the person next to you drop your 2. You elevate up to the junior position. Once you become a junior, the 2 people you brought now, they're going to drop their 2 down. When they drop their 2 in, you're going to go into the senior position. As a senior now, you're going to sit and wait for these 8 people to come in and send you $100 each for a total of 8 $100 donations, $800. At that point, you drop back down with 200. You re-enter mandatorily. You re-enter for 200 and pocket 6. That is amazing. Then get ready to go up and do it twice now. Then what happens, let me show you what's really amazing. Once you do it twice and you go up and get it, then you're going to drop back down with position for that, which is going to be 4. Now you're going to get $800 4 times. Re-enter with 2, keeping 6 for each one of those. Guys, it goes on and on and on. This is super exciting, super simple. Anybody can do it. Let's look at the mandatory re-entry. We help our donation platform to work, right? To help it to work, we have to re-enter this thing manually, guys. We want to do it mandatorily because we want you to continue to earn. We don't want it to stop just because you received 800. Re-entry happens after the residing senior has received 8 $100 gift, right? Once they receive that, they drop back down and they will secure 2 new freshman positions. When that happens, everyone is happy because everyone is getting paid. And that also means that the junior that's getting ready to go into the senior position already have $200 waiting on them. Because when you drop out of the senior position with 200, that's who you're sending it to. You're sending it to that person that's going into the senior position. That could be you in the senior position, right? Receiving 200 the minute you get in there. You don't even have to wait. So that's pretty good, guys. I'm loving it. This is a great platform and a great opportunity for anybody. If you need a little extra money, if you need to be, bringing in a few more extra dollars because, maybe your job isn't cutting it or maybe you're unemployed or underemployed and you just need to be, making a little extra money, come over here with us, Blessings for All. That way you can start helping yourself and then most definitely you will help someone else. That is what's more exciting, to help other people to get by just like someone helped you. So I want to welcome you in advance over to Blessings for All, and I will see you on the inside. Take care.